have this coral-like lip on because I just wanted to have a bright lip, bright eyes, you know? I don't know if I would ever wear this out in public, but I will wear it at home with confidence. So that's what we're doing today. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Chelsea and I'm so excited for today's video because we're doing a tutorial, an eyeshadow tutorial. So when I saw this palette come out, I was like, yep, gotta have it. So this is the ColourPop Honey eyeshadow palette, and we're also going to be demoing the Soul Shimmering Body Oil that's also sold by ColourPop, because if you know me, you know I'm all about the glitter and the glow and all that good stuff. But before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who took time out of their day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching it. I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all of your constant love and support. I really, really do appreciate it. So let's just get right into the video. Like I said, this is the ColourPop Honey palette. And this is my first 9-pan eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. All of the other ones looked really pretty, but none of them really spoke to me to where I needed to purchase it like right away. And even with this one, when this one launched, I didn't pick it up right away, but one of my friends on Instagram, she posts the best pictures, Tesla Beauty. If you're not following her, you definitely should. And she posted a picture one day of the palette, and I was like, you know what? I need to get it. So I did. Thanks, Tess. So this is the actual palette right here. I'm being careful because I already dropped it. Why did I do that? And so one of the shades is she's just a little fragile. But yes, this is their 9-pan yellow based palette. I have on my yellow nails today and my yellow shirt because I was just feeling so excited. So I'm going to do a tutorial on this first, and then I will insert some swatches afterwards. Maybe I should insert some swatches now. So I'll insert some swatches now so you can see the shades up close, and then I will do my tutorial, and then we'll get into applying this shimmering body oil at the end, so stay tuned for all of that. So I'm gonna start with, I just washed my brushes. I'm so excited and proud of myself because I usually don't be doing that regularly. So I want to try to use as many shades in the palette as I can because I always find it really helpful when people can do that because then you get to see them all. So yeah, we'll see. So let's start off with Stinger, the shade right here. And we're just going to throw that in our crease. Actually, I want to make this my transition shade, so I'm going to bring this up just above my crease, right around here. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics V5 brush to blend that in. All right, same brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade called Total Buggin'. Let's go in with this one right here. Don't you hate it when you're doing your nails and you've been letting them dry for a while and you're like, yes, today's the day where my nails are not gonna be nicked. And then you nick like 3 of them the next second. Yep, that was my story today. I'm just taking this shade and I am putting it right directly below my transition shade. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma, what is this? E25 blending brush. And we're gonna go in with Buzzkill. So we're gonna go in with this tan shade. And we're gonna work this actually directly into the crease. And then I'm going to take whatever's left on this brush and kind of just flick it out here and just add a little bit right here on the lower lash line. So, okay, I'm liking how this is coming together. All right, now let's get into some of these shimmers. Let's do a cut crease and then I'm gonna come back and apply the shimmer shades onto my lid. Alrighty, moving on to the lid. Alright, I'm taking a Morphe M204 brush and let's start off with Queen Bee. So this is one of the shades that I have been so excited to try. And I'm just gonna start applying that to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just gonna pack that on to see if I get more pigmentation that way. Alright, now I'm going to go in with an AOA Studio E113 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Dandy right here. And we're going to apply that to the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics, I think this is 105, the part of the number has rubbed off. And I want to deepen up the crease color with Buzzkill. So some of the shimmer got on the crease color, and I really want that crease color to pop through. So I'm just taking this definer brush and we're going to deepen that up. Now let's go in with my Morphe E18 brush and let's work on this lower lash line. So let's go in with Oh Behave, the shade right here, and run this along the lower lash line. Now we're going to go in with Sweet Spot, which is right here, and we're going to add this. And I don't know if we're going to really see a difference between these two. Okay, I feel like it's a little intensified. Okay. And now we're going to go back in with Buzzkill, which is right here. And same brush, actually a different brush. This is the Morphe E36 brush. And we're going to run this along the bottom edge of the eye, just to blend out that yellow. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is the AOA Studio E127 brush. It's clean, and I'm just going to fluff this along the lower lash line, just to make sure it's nice and blended. Okay. Then we're going to go in, this is a brush that I got off of eBay years ago in a kit, so it has no name, no nothing. But it is my favorite inner corner brush. We're going to go in with the last shade. Oh yay, we use every shade in here. Yeah, we're going to go in with the shade called Sunburst right here. And we're going to make this our inner corner. Oh no, we got one more shade to use. One more shade, sorry y'all. Cannot believe I almost left out the most standout shade. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to apply that to the center of my lid so we can apply the last shade in this palette, which is a glitter. It's called Palooza. And we're gonna pop that right here. Alright, so we are done. So let me finish off the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, we are back, and this eye look, y'all, I am loving it. Okay, we still have to put on the Shimmering body oil. I don't want to say all my thoughts yet because then I'll go on a tangent and I want to get this done. Okay, so this is the Soul Shimmering body oil and the Shimmering dry oil, and this just looks so pretty. So I'm all for body luminizers. I actually did a review comparing Fenty Beauty, Sol de Janeiro, and Hard Candy to compare which one was better, are there dupes and whatnot. So I love body oils, especially for the summer. So let's just apply this. This is in the shade Bronze. They have 2 other shades, I believe. Ooh, okay. I'm trying to hold my hand up so you can see it. That looks so pretty. Did I drop that? Okay, no, I didn't. All right. So I'm gonna rub it into my hands. It smells good. This reminds me of if you've ever smelled the Hard Candy body luminizer, kind of smells like that. It's a sweet smell. So I'm gonna, can y'all see it? Okay, y'all can see me. I'm just gonna put some here and rub it in. And I'll put some up here. Oh, this is pretty. So it's a dry oil, and if you've never tried a dry oil, once you rub it into the skin, it's pretty much dry, so you don't have any greasy residue left over. Apply some on my shoulders so you can see that. Hopefully y'all can see that. So this is what my shoulder looks like. Here we go, with the oil, and this is my shoulder without the oil. I really like this one. I was debating between this color, and there was a lighter kind of champagne, no, it was a lighter gold looking one. And I figured this would look better in the sun. So I went with this one, and I am very satisfied with it. I'll put a little on my neck. Oh yeah, I really, really like this. I like dry oils that have shimmer because if you're not somebody who wants like the greasy texture of a luminizer, then this works well. I like this. I'm very happy. This is $15 on ColourPop's website. So I'm just looking at myself in the mirror. So yeah, I don't think that's a bad price for the luminizer. Okay, so let me give you my thoughts on the Aha Honey palette. Honey, I am loving this. So out of all of the shades, my favorite ones probably would have to be this middle row right here and this tan shade called Buzzkill. I love how all of the shades really do work well together, because I do feel like sometimes with palettes, you know, colors are put into there and you really can't wear all of them together, but I have all 9 shades on my eyes and loving it. This color Sunburst was such a pleasant surprise because I didn't realize it was like gold green, and also Palooza, the glitter right here, I didn't realize that it also had flecks of like gold, orange, green. Like, this eye look is so pretty, and I'm really happy that the yellow shades actually showed up on me. The 2 shades that I really didn't see too much of a difference on when I applied them were Stinger right here, and then this shade right here, which is Totally Buggin'. They pretty much matched my skin tone, and I barely could see them. But Sweet Spot, Oh Behave, these 2 yellows right here, this yellow and this yellow right here, those 2 shades I felt showed up very well on me, and I'm so happy because I am a tan to deep complexion. I definitely have some yellow gold in my skin, and so as much as I love yellow eyeshadows, I typically don't really use them because they rarely show up. And I think that was my hesitation with this palette as to why I didn't pick it up right away. I felt like it's not going to show up on me, so what's the point? But seeing this palette on different complexions that are similar to mine and seeing that they actually do show up, I was like, I'll give it a try. So happy I purchased this. The 9-pan palettes by ColourPop are $12, so very affordable, especially if you're someone who you don't want to spend a lot of money on eyeshadows. And I'm just really excited that I picked this one up. So I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed my little eye look here because I love it. The sad thing is I have nowhere to go. Absolutely nowhere to go. So I'm going to edit this video in this eye look and then I'm probably going to take it off. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and tutorial. Let me know what your favorite ColourPop eyeshadow palette is. I actually have 4 eyeshadow palettes from ColourPop now. I just ordered 2 more. I'm really starting to like the brand. I never disliked them, but I just really didn't try too much from them, especially with their eyeshadow. So I'm very excited to be delving deeper into the brand and with their eyeshadows. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I really hope to see you in my very next video. Bye guys.